A guy walks into my office in Fridley last spring needing life insurance. He's got a new mortgage. His wife just stopped working to stay home with the kids, and he'd been putting this off for 2 years. He doesn't want to wait 4 months for lab work and doctor visits. He needs coverage now. That's exactly what American Family Simple Term was built for. But here's the thing, it's not right for everyone, and I'm going to tell you straight whether it works for your situation. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly how Simple Term works, what it costs in the Twin Cities, and whether you actually qualify for it. Simple Term skips the medical exam completely. You answer some basic health questions online or in our office. American Family runs a quick background check. They're looking at your prescription history, your driving record, things like that. And in most cases, you get approved the same day. This is real life insurance. Your beneficiaries get a tax-free death benefit if something happens. It's not a trick. It's just faster because they're not sending a nurse to your house. Simple Term gives you between $25,000 and $150,000 in coverage. You pick a term, 10, 20, or 30 years, and that's your protection window. Now, here's the honest part. Because they're not doing a full medical underwriting, the monthly cost per dollar of coverage runs a little higher than traditional term. But if you need coverage fast and can't sit through the medical exam process, that trade-off makes sense. I see this work perfectly for families in Minneapolis and the suburbs who are in a rush. Yeah, you've got to be between 18 and 65 years old, though the upper limit moves down if you're picking a 30-year term. If you've got managed conditions, you're on medication for high blood pressure, for example, or your diabetes is controlled, you can still qualify. But if you've got a recent cancer diagnosis or uncontrolled heart disease, American Family might decline you or point you toward a different product instead. The key word is managed. If your health is stable on medication, simplified underwriting usually moves you through faster than the traditional process ever would. Here's what I see all the time in my agency. Someone thinks no medical exam means American Family isn't checking anything. That's wrong. They're absolutely checking. They've got access to your prescription records, your MIB history. Like, that's the Medical Information Bureau. And they know your driving record. If you lie on that application, you're lying to your insurance company. I had a client try to hide a prescription, and when a claim came in, American Family found it. The policy almost got rescinded. Just tell the truth on the application. It's faster and it protects your family. If this sounds like what you need, call us right now at 763-733-7475. We're licensed in Minnesota,